Yes guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you the simple steps of how to change your front wiper blades on your BMW. If you follow these simple steps, you won't damage your windscreen, you won't damage your wiper arms, and this job is literally a minute job. So this video is aimed at any car that has this sort of connection. So if yours look like these, you're in the right place. So guys, these wiper blades are really easy to change. Obviously if you've not done them before, you won't know how to do them. What we're going to do is lift the arm up. Once the arm's lifted, we're going to rotate the wiper and pull, and it's now off. Then to refit, obviously you're going to go get your new ones. I do have new ones for this, but the engine's out of it at the minute, so I'll fit them at a later date. Otherwise, if I fit them now, the weather's just going to wreck them. We then slide on at 90 degrees, turn and rest. That process is exactly the same for the other wiper on the front of the car. Thanks for watching this simple tutorial on how to change your wiper blades. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. More importantly, I hope I helped some of you at home do this job yourself. If you've got any questions about what you've seen in the video, or you want me to make a video tailored to what you need to see, please drop it in the comment section and I'll be sure to get back to you. Other than that, this is the end of the video, and I'll catch you in the next one.